internet. So today I am unboxing another Zenpop box. This one's actually the January box. If you watched my last video, then you'll know why the unboxings are so close to each other. December came a little bit later, and I suspect that's because of the Christmas rush. So that's why that one got unboxed 2 weeks ago, and I got my January one this week, so I'm unboxing it now. So hopefully you guys will enjoy the first Zenpop box I got for 2018. So I'm just gonna get straight into the video. Okay, open it up. The thank you note and my little slip. So I'll just twist this around, as you know, just so the lighting's a little bit better. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take out the pens, because as you guys know, I like to test the pens at the end. Oh, this one's kind of, it's another one here. And there's, oh, this is more like a pencil that comes with a little diary. So I'll just put these ones aside, and I'll get straight into the unboxing. So first item is this little notebook, dot-bit notebook. Oh, just like a regular notebook that is gridded. Cool, so good for writing kanji and stuff. That's a nice little notebook. Paper quality is pretty good. It's on the, oh no, I was gonna say it initially felt quite thin, but it actually isn't that thin. I don't think you get a ton of bleed through. It's got a bunch of adorable puppies on it as well. So I think this is like a cute little notebook you could keep in your bag with you or take with you or something like that. And then the next one is, these are a bunch of to-do lists. Oh yeah, it is. It literally is just like a whole pad of to-do lists that you can create. There's like one design there, and then there's like a different design here. One is called Rike Danchi to-do list, and essentially it refers to like these boys who are like boys in science or IT and stuff like that, which I'm not familiar with because I actually do work in IT and I worked with a lot of men. My industry is predominantly men, so I feel like this is right at home. And then we have a little Kumadon notebook. I think it's a notebook with a pencil. I'm just gonna quickly open this up. Okay, so you get this pencil that you need to sharpen. And then you get a little, oh, it's like a flip notebook. It's a little stiff, but essentially it's just like a notebook. So for me, I tend to use these because this notebook itself, like a notepad, I suppose, it's a notepad, tends to be on kind of like, it feels a little flimsy. So to me, this is something that I would just keep on my desk and quickly write notes on and then just chuck out or pass on or anything like that. And then we have, what is this? Oh, I think they're just little envelopes of puppies. This whole pack, by the way, I forgot to mention, is called Puppy Pack. And I suspect it's because the Lunar New Year or Chinese New Year is, well, the zodiac this year is dog related. So maybe that's why it's Puppy Pack, but that's so cute. Then we have, what is like a photo frame? Oh wow, so you can open it up and like put a photo inside of it. That is so cute. Oh, there you go. So you can stick it on like a card or a present, and you can put a photo inside. I don't know, I had a lot of these like paper craft items when I was in high school where I would love to like create them, put them together, and then it was just like cute little gifts you could give your friends. This would be a really nice decorative piece you could put in a planner. And then we've got some washi tape here. Both puppy inspired, so cute. I'm gonna open these up. So these are the two washi tapes you get. This guy reminds me of Lottie. This seems to be like the same chihuahua, just in different positions. So that is super cute. Oh, okay, and then we have like a little puppy eraser. I'm gonna open this one up. This is purely decorative. Like, I cannot imagine using this at all, which I feel like I'm starting to form a little collection of adorable erasers, but you've got this little puppy and a shoe. They don't really go together, as in like they don't fit together, but you would just kind of put them on your desk together in that fashion because puppy and shoe. So that's really cute. And we have some stickers. So we've got these clear stickers, which are all like trees and weather related. And then we have some puppy stickers. Oh, really fat puppy stickers. That's so cute. Cool. All right, so now I'm gonna get straight into the pens. So I'm going to be using my new Kumamon notepad just because I've got it right here, and these are the 3 pens we'll be looking at today. So this one is so cute. It's a puppy pen, obviously, and it is 2 colors, so you get black and red. It is a ballpoint pen. It's by a company called Mimi. Not heard of that one before. And then you have a highlighter, a friction highlighter. I don't have this particular one, but I do have a few of the other colors. Basically, it's just a highlighter that you can highlight stuff with, and then because it's friction, if you use this part here to rub over it, it will disappear, or really any sort of heat source. Okay, and this pen is, I don't know if it has a brand, but the pamphlet I have says it's a ukiyo-e style. So it came with a little postcard here, as you can see, and then it just came with a pen to write on the postcard. Looks like a gel pen, to be honest, a black gel pen. So I'm gonna give that a shot. In my last video, someone suggested that instead of writing hello, I should just write the brand names of each of the pens. So I'm gonna give that a shot, see what you guys think. So I'm gonna use the Mimi Cute Dog pen first. Pretty standard. I'll zoom you guys in a bit more. Okay, there you go. Pretty standard ballpoint pen. I didn't really find it to be, I mean, it's smooth. It writes pretty smooth. There's no real issue with it and it feels comfortable. I'm not really sure why it's so thick because I feel like I'm not really good with very thick pens. I prefer them when they're a little, not too thin, but there's like a happy medium there, and I feel like this is on the thicker side given that you only have 2 inks, like ink cartridges in it, so I'm not really sure, but I mean, it's like a general, comfortable, good all-round ballpoint pen. Then I'm going to use this gel pen. Okay, as you can see, or I don't know if it's noticeable, this is actually not a gel pen, it's a ballpoint pen. I swear I thought it was a gel pen, but no, it's definitely ballpoint, and it's very similar to the Mimi pen. I actually just felt like the ink in this one flowed more evenly from the get-go, whereas I felt like the Mimi pen needed a little bit of like drawing first or writing first before it really starts off. Like, that's the thing about certain ballpoint pens. I find that when you first start writing with it, it needs to like, you need to scribble a little bit just so that the ink is like even throughout your whole writing. Otherwise the first letter or two is going to be a little bit uneven. But some really good quality ballpoint pens I find don't have that initial skip at the start, and they're like even throughout, and I feel like this one is pretty nice and even, whereas Mimi probably needs a little bit of a kickstart. Now we have the highlighter from Friction, and to me it's nothing super special, it's just like a standard highlighter. Definitely you could use this to do some calligraphy with as well. And then I don't know if you wait for it or not. I think it works better if you wait for it to actually dry. There you go. If you actually wait for it to dry properly, then it's a lot easier to erase. So I remember when I was using Friction pens, I would like erase when the ink was still wet and it would end up smudging, and it would eventually get rid of it, but it was just a bit of a mess. So definitely better to just wait for it to dry. But that's pretty much it. I generally don't use Friction pens because I don't like the fact that any sort of heat source can make my ink disappear. I don't know, personal preference. So those are all the items in the January Puppy Back Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any, then be sure to subscribe. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.